Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a completed Pioneer H-R100 recording deck. You might know by now that this is the deck, either the H-R99 or the H-R100. This is the most reliable deck out there. This is probably the wisest and safest investment in a home 8-track unit that you're going to find. They're remarkably consistent from unit to unit. One of my videos has me testing 8 of these in one shot, so you might want to, that video is entitled A Mountain of Pioneers. So let's go ahead and pop in some tapes and make sure this thing works before we send her back. Okay, there's our track indicator, of course. And let's look at our output level meters, make sure we're getting both sides. Okay, we're between songs on this track, so there we are. Okay, fast forward. Okay, pause, of course. Dolby, for what it's worth. I don't recommend using Dolby for any tapes, even those recorded with Dolby, because all Dolby does is it wipes out some of your high frequencies. I have never used Dolby in my life. It's not a very good noise reduction system. Okay, we're going to pop in some Herb Alpert just because I saw him in concert not too long ago, and you won't get both speakers at all times with Herb Alpert because he did a lot to emphasize the stereo effect. So a lot of his stuff has a trumpet just on one side, or the other music just on one side. So we'll experience that. Here's one of those times where we're not getting a sound on the right channel, so we'll wait until okay, some voices are coming in, and probably when the lead trumpet comes back in, that'll probably be on the right side. We'll just give that a little time here. Hopefully letting the song play won't get me nailed for copyright. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so that's pretty much the conclusion of the test. There's not a whole lot to test on a home unit, just to make sure that it plays back properly. And so I'm going to get on to the next job. This unit comes from John in Kirtland, Ohio. Thank you very much, John, for your business, and congratulations on your ownership of a great, probably the best tape deck that I can recommend for stereo playback. My number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Not if you're looking for belts or parts or schematics or things like that. That's not why you call me. My number for paying, repair, or conversion customers is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.